My name is Vinay Ahlawat. I am working as an associate Dean IT Services and Head IT Operations at KIET Group of Institutions. And KIET Group of Institutions is situated in Delhi NCR Ghaziabad. It is the one of the premier institution in Uttar Pradesh. It is affiliated from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. Because it's a big organization who is having more than 500 employees on their roll. So previously we were using the biometric attendance system. When the this pandemic happened, then we thought of for the testless solutions. So we found so many vendors from the market. We just went for the POCs for so many vendors, and afterwards we shortlisted the KENT CAM attendance solution. First of all, order the physical device. One physical device we have installed in our campus. So as far as the physical device is concerned, it works seamlessly. Physical device works very fast. It's very quick. It takes almost all no time to mark the attendance, but their application works well. The operations or associate dean IT services at KIT, I found their solution very competitive and good. Whenever we mentioned our issue to the technical team, they responded it very well and tried to provide us all the possible solutions. Thank you.